Hello and welcome guys to Spark Learning. My name is Christy. Before we begin with our next video, I just wanted to thank each and everyone who showed the love and support for the channel. Thank you very much guys. Alright, so let's begin with our video. So here's a list of training programs that we will be learning in our today's and upcoming videos. So we are going to cover an important tool that is used globally in all sorts of industry, which is basic of Microsoft Excel. So this is how Microsoft Excel looks like. So before we begin, let's quickly take a look at the definition of Microsoft Excel, or what is a Microsoft Excel. So Microsoft Excel is a spreadsheet developed by Microsoft for different operating systems like Windows, Mac OS, Android, and iOS. It features calculation, graphing tools, and pivot tables, and a macro programming language called Visual Basic for applications. So in today's topic, we'll be covering the calculation part, the graphing tools, and the pivot tables. Macro programming usually falls under the advanced Excel, so we'll not be covering that portion in today's video. So during my initial days into corporate sector, my trainer introduced me to a concept called as WFIM. So what exactly is a WFIM? She used to always tell me that before you enroll yourself into any training or any program, you need to always ask WFIM. So WFIM means what's in it for me. So before we begin with our course, with our training, let's try to understand what are we going to learn. Number one, we are going to understand different features of Microsoft Excel. We are going to learn different customizing tools of Microsoft Excel. We are going to understand how to use each toolbar and its function, and we are going to look or focus on the commonly used ones. We are going to create a sample data by using different functions, and we are going to use the most commonly used formulas while preparing official reports. So we're going to combine these three functions together. We're going to club it together, and that's how we're going to learn Microsoft Excel. Alright guys, so please stay tuned and subscribe to our channel. In our next video, we'll be working on Microsoft Excel sheet and cover all the basic elements and tools of basic Excel. Alright, thank you very much guys.